Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, March 6, 2023. It is 3:17 and 7 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, blood clots. So let's hop to it here. Youth overweight are risk factor for blood clots as adult. Date March 2nd, 2023. Source, University of Gothenburg. As being overweight in childhood and early adulthood are discrete risk factors for blood clots later in life. The study is based on early body mass index history of more than 37,000 men and information about their thrombi, if any, in adulthood. The association between obesity and blood clots is already established. However, to date it has been unclear how much influence a raised body mass index in childhood and puberty exerts. The purpose of the study was to clarify the links between body mass index in early life and subsequent thrombi. As thrombi usually arise in the legs, often starting at a blood vessel in the calf, swelling, pain, and redness are common symptoms. Treated early, clots are seldom dangerous. However, if one breaks loose, is born in the lungs, in the bloodstream, and adheres to the vessel wall there, the resulting pulmonary embolism may be life-threatening. The present study comprises 37,672 men in Sweden, born between 1945 and 1961. It is based on information about height, weight, and body mass index from the men's records for school health care services at the age of 8 years, and second for medical examinations on enrollment in the armed services at age 20, along with registered data on any blood clots up to age 62 on average. The researchers say that body mass index at both ages 8 and 20, independently of each other, can be linked to venous blood clots. These may occur in, for example, the leg deep vein thrombosis or the lung pulmonary embolism. The researchers say in adulthood, two groups were found to be at a significantly increased risk of venous thrombi. The first was individuals who had been overweight, both as children and as young adults, while the second was composed of those whose weight in childhood was normal and who became overweight only in childhood. Moreover, being overweight in both childhood and young adulthood was found to raise the risk of arterial thrombi, that is, clots resulting from constricted blood vessels with fatty deposits and inflammation. And since there were few cases of arterial blood clots in the study, however, further studies are needed to confirm these findings. All comparisons in the study were made with the control group, whose weight was normal at both 8 and 20 years of age. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.